want to show you these drill brushes from Drill Brush. They're sold here on Amazon. And I wanted to talk about them. They sent me these products to do a review of, but I have used these three over here for years. You can tell they are worn out and used. I've used them from everything from cleaning boat seats to the side of the boat to leather seats in my vehicles. Pretty much anything you want to be able to attach a drill or a brush to your drill and be able to just brush the heck out of it and clean it. These things are awesome for it. So they sent me some of these to do a little review of. The product looks the exact same over the years, and that's great because those have held up fantastically. They sent me a white one and a yellow one, and I guess they actually sell different ones for different applications. So you can see right there on that box, and I'll read them to you off this box. You've got white for wheels, carpet, upholstery, and glass and leather. Medium for bathroom, bathtub, shower, tile, and porcelain. You got green. The last one was yellow. Green for kitchen stoves, cabinets, counters, linoleum. Blue for boats, pools, canoes, kayaks, hot tub, plastic. Red for outdoor siding, bricks, garage, gutters. Black for grills, loose paint, furnaces, ovens, and industrial. So might be different thicknesses and stuff like that, but I don't know if it's just a color coordination thing so that you can make sure you don't cross-contaminate those things. But I would highly recommend these products. I really, really like them. Love being able to just click them into my little impact drill and just have a great little scrubbing tool. So 10 out of 10 would recommend.